The pressure is starting to show in the crypto industry. A lot of people are concerned because the Shiba Inu's price is going down. Is there nonetheless a glimmer of optimism amidst this mayhem? The Shiba Inu, what's the big deal? Do you need to calm down or continue hodling? Here we'll discover. Important notice. Recently, there has been a concerning pattern in Shiba Inu. The price has been dropping sharply, unfortunately. Actually, it has fallen to a new low, and the timing of any recovery is uncertain. This year, Shiba Inu has fallen 65% from its previous high, and now it is really having trouble. This once popular coin is still struggling. Even though there was a temporary increase in huge transactions, the technical examination emphasizes the persistent problems that Shiba Inus are encountering. There is an obvious declining trend, shown in the charts. Worryingly, there is constant negative momentum indicated by the 50, 100, and 200 exponential moving averages, all of which are headed downward. The lack of demand is causing the Shiba Inu to continue its downturn, which has largely erased the advances it achieved during its high points. The present state of affairs makes it difficult to have high hopes for the near future of Shiba Inus. Many investors are likely feeling wary due to the steep decline in price and the continuing negative trend shown by the moving averages. This dearth of interest could cause prices to fall even further unless action is taken. A change in opinion is always possible, though. A reversal may occur if the wider crypto market begins to recover and more investors start to recognize the value of Shiba Inu. Rekindled interest could also be sparked by strategic actions made by the developers or by good news within the Shiba Inu community. But we mustn't forget that this new pattern makes us nervous. Be very careful if you're thinking about getting a Shiba Inu or holding on to one right now, because there are no apparent signs of a rebound. To gain a better grasp of the situation, let's examine the on-chain data more closely. It shows that 29 transactions totaling slightly more than 1 trillion Shiba Inu had occurred in the last 24 hours. Taken in isolation, this figure may appear outstanding, yet the bigger picture must be considered. There was a spike of 55 major transactions on July 25th, but the following day that number plummeted to only 15. Shiba Inu's large transaction volumes have also experienced some noticeable fluctuations. There was a surge a few days ago with transactions reaching around 2 trillion Shiba Inu, but even with this short upswing, market sentiment is still cautious. Bearish patterns have persisted despite the last upswing. Taking a step back, we can understand how difficult things are for those who own Shiba Inus. At this time, just 48% of Shiba Inu owners are making a profit, although 28% are making a profit and 5% are losing money. The recent struggles of many investors are shown by this distribution. It should also be mentioned that a tiny number of very huge Shiba Inu owners control a considerable amount of the breed. Actually, these influential people control 73% of the Shiba Inu population. This level of concentration has the potential to cause substantial market volatility. Although there has been some activity with Shiba Inus, it has not been steady enough to indicate a market rebound, as shown by this variation. To put it simply, there may be some transactions taking place, but the general momentum is low. It seems unlikely that Shiba Inus will begin to recover anytime soon in the absence of consistent and growing exercise. The Shiba Inu news may have been discouraging, but the development team is keeping the faith. One of the most visible members of the Shiba Inu squad, Lucy, recently offered some advice to bearers regarding X. She conceded that the market has been exceptionally volatile as of late and pointed out that not even the most bullish advocates could have predicted how unpredictable politics and international crises would affect the value of cryptocurrencies. Lucy brought attention to the fact that for individuals who value the continuous improvement of the Shiba Inu ecology, substantial work is still being done in the background. Investors who may be discouraged by the present market movements would do well to keep this in mind. She has empathy for the holders' desire for faster results, both with Shiba Inu and the ecology as a whole. Instead of focusing only on daily price charts, her message urges the community to look at the big picture. She recommends not getting caught up in the ups and downs of the near term and instead thinking about the future of Shiba Inu and its growth. The Bitcoin market is notoriously unpredictable, therefore this frame of mind is essential. And there might be sudden and large price swings. Particularly noteworthy is Lucy's counsel to holders with a longer time horizon. Staying strong and not letting transitory downturns destroy their belief in the enterprise is what she advises them to accomplish. This kind of support is crucial in building a strong community that stays committed to the Shiba Inu mission no matter what challenges come their way. Lucy highlights that she is offering her viewpoint based on her experiences and knowledge by phrasing her comments as personal insights instead than financial advice. This strategy encourages the community to have meaningful conversations regarding Shiba Inu's future without feeling rushed to respond to market shifts. Also, the month of August is very important because it is the anniversary of the founding of the Shiba Inu, and the month has only just started. The energy of this month is one of celebration and fresh beginnings, so everything is possible. Changes in market mood, unforeseen developments, or good news could all impact the community. It may cause Shiba Inus to make a comeback. At this crossroads, Lucy's comments ring all the more true because they show us that no matter how difficult things get, there is always room for improvement. Looking forward to what August has in store, it's a good time to take stock of where we've come from. Think back to the last bull market. At the time, many in the cryptocurrency community were incredibly optimistic and excited about the future, which caused prices to skyrocket and opened doors to tremendous opportunities. Looking ahead, a lot of individuals are hoping for a continuation of this bull market. Many people think that cryptocurrency prices, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins like Shiba Inu, are about to experience another surge. The neighborhood is eagerly anticipating the arrival of a new wave which they believe will bring revitalization and forward momentum, and the market is rife with anticipation. What we can learn from the past is that if the price of Shiba Inu continues along the same trajectory as the first 10 months of 2021, it could reach unprecedented heights. Among the most successful digital currencies at the time was Shiba Inu. Our excitement is heightened by the fact that, as reported by Arabian Business, the price of Shiba Inu increased by a mind-boggling 27 million% in the first 10 months of 2021. It is true what you say. 27 billion in 1 year. The extraordinary achievement was greatly impacted by Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum, who was given half of the Shiba Inu tokens by the anonymous developer Ryoshi. However, in 2021, Buterin gave away the remaining tokens to charity after burning most of them. Major cryptocurrency exchanges supported Shiba Inu's listing after this daring step boosted investor trust. Consequently, the value of Shiba Inu surged, and it was one among the top 10 cryptocurrency assets in terms of market capitalization back then. What would happen if Shiba Inu repeated that incredible rally? The Crypto Basic has now examined the possibility more closely. The Shiba Inu is currently trading at a discount of less than 80% to its all-time high. Shiba Inu's price might reach an incredible $4.66 per token if it were to see another 27 million% spike. An investor with 1 million Shiba Inu tokens, which are currently valued slightly more than $17, would witness their investment soar to nearly $4.5 million at this price. Assuming the circulating supply stays around 590 trillion tokens, reaching this price would increase Shiba Inu's market cap to over $2 quadrillion because of the huge gap between the expected market value and the total world. Financial resources, a repeat performance of the 2021 surge by Shiba Inu is highly unlikely. While we should be enthusiastic about Shiba Inu, it's important to be grounded and aware of the obstacles that may be in our way, as Arabian Business pointed out. So what are your thoughts on the matter? Post your thoughts in the space provided. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the matter. If you're interested in learning more, just click on one of the videos displayed. We have reached the final segment of this video. Please hit the like button and drop a comment down below if you found the video entertaining. Regarding the YouTube algorithm, this is incredibly helpful. Spread the word about this video by sharing it with everyone you know. It is time to spread the word.